everybody, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and today I'm going to teach you a lesson on the Cricut design space on how to contour. And what is contour, you ask? Contour is what allows you to make your image into multiple different colors instead of just black. So let me show you what I mean. First, I'm going to log into the Cricut website and I'm going to go to my uploaded images. This image is an image that I have made personally. It is for sale in my Etsy store, so the link will be in the description box below if you wish to purchase it. It is available for sale. I'm going to go ahead and make this a smaller size to start with. And so we have our girl squad. Now, as of right now, if I were to cut this, it would just cut one color. Whatever color of your choice. So if you want to do this in silver or black or pink, whatever. However, I want to go ahead and make the silhouette here of what looks like Ariel to be red. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do is click on the image, go over to my toolbar and hit duplicate. Now this is going to be the final size of my image. The width is 8 by 4.276. So I've already set my size. So this is important when you're doing contour because you want to work with the final size image of your item. So you've got a duplicate, right? And I don't need to fit both on the screen to show you what I'm doing, but I'm going to try to as best as possible. So what I want to do is take this silhouette and turn her red. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the duplicate and I'm going to go down to the toolbar again and I'm going to hit the option for contour. Now then for contour, it brings up the image. You can hide all contours, which automatically hides everything. So if I click off of this, well, it didn't work for some reason. If I click off of it, then it should technically erase everything and I should have it blank. It's still doing it. I don't know why. Okay. Well, I don't know what's wrong with the image. I did hide all contours. So technically everything should be hidden, but it's not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight everything I don't want. So I'm going to click on Ariel because I want Ariel. I don't want this image. And I don't want that little piece there either. So when you click off of an image, what it does, it grays it out. And then if you can see, there's a slight highlight to the image you have left over. So this is the only thing I want in my duplicate. Now in my original image, what I need to do is erase this silhouette. So I'm going to click on the contour and click on the image and then hit contour. Now I'm going to leave everything selected except this silhouette. I'm going to click off of her. And if I click the exit, you'll see she's gone. Because what I'm going to do is change my color. So right now she's black. I'm going to change her to red. Okay. So that means when I cut my image, I'm going to cut this image. Let's say it's all black. And then it's going to cut this image, which is red. Now, the next thing I can do is I can go back to this and I can duplicate the image again. Let's say I want to make this silhouette pink because this looks like another type of princess. So I'm going to go over here to my duplicate and I'm going to contour again. I'm going to choose to hide all contours, but this time I want to highlight this princess because she looks like the pink princess. Sorry, I'm just trying to hide this other one. So it should leave me just with her. Okay, now I'm going to change the color to pink. And let's see, I don't have a pink per se. So I'm going to go to my advanced color wheel and find a pink that I like. Okay. Now in my original image, I need to contour her out or erase her out and select it and take her out. Because then when I cut my next image, I'm going to have a pink princess and I'm going to have a red princess. And they're the exact same colors as the original image. They're the exact same size as the original image because I've just duplicated it. So you can do that for each princess as well. or even for the writing. Let's say I wanted to change the color of the Girl Squad. So I would duplicate the original again. And then when I go to contour, I'm going to go ahead and hide all contours again. Just because it's easiest that way, it takes everything out. But then I'm going to highlight not the internal parts, but the letters, because that's what I want left over. Because I'm going to change the font color. Now you see it took the middle of some pieces, so I can go back to my contour. And I need to also get that princess out. Take out those middle pieces. And you can also make this bigger if it's easier to see. So I don't want that middle piece. So gray that out, gray that out, gray that out. Okay, now let's exit. Oh, piece is highlighted. Oh, I did it again. See, it takes it a couple times before you do it right. I mean, I'm not claiming to be an expert or anything. Right, so I want that light gray. Gray light. See. Okay, there. Also my, whoops. Do the R. Okay, finally got it. Jeez, sorry about that. So now I have this image, and let's say I want that to be, I don't know, let's say purple. Okay, so that means I need to go back to my original image and get the Girl Squad letters out of there. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on all of them individually to erase them. Or contour them, whatever you want to call it. To me, the best way I can remember is just erasing. So now out of the original image, that's gone, and now I've got it replaced with purple. So far, I've got a pink princess, red princess, and I've changed the font to purple by contouring each one. Again, make sure you're working off the original size of your design before you start doing the contour, because let's say I decided to change this size, right? And then now I want to change this princess. Well, when I duplicate it and make it and contour it out, go ahead and hide all contours. And that's the one I want left over, and I want her to be yellow. Well, look what happens. She's now big compared to the other princesses because that's not the original size I worked with. So it's going to look really wonky when it's the wrong color. Make sure that you are working with the original size of the image that you want, meaning the final size of the image, before you start duplicating anything or doing your contour, because otherwise what you're going to see, what I just showed you, is going to mess up and not look right. So again, this is how you work with contour. I showed you it on 3 different parts of this image. If you have any questions, be sure to leave me a comment down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you can be alerted anytime I upload a new video. And make sure you're following Wonderland Boutique on both Instagram and Facebook. And I will link my Etsy account down below that has a couple of these images available for sale. So it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and I appreciate your time. And I hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.